we knew it was going to be a crazy day when I wake up and we couldn't get out of our front door without some effort. We got good 4.5 foot drifts here, and the snow is coming down. All the way. I don't know if you could distinguish white against white here, but all this is our driveway heading towards the mailbox. And it was just plowed last night, so we got fresh 3.5 foot drifts here. Pretty crazy. Here's from a different angle, coming out our front door this morning. It's a little interesting.